In this video, I will give you account, what is chart of account and how would you automate this. If you want to automate, how to automate this with the journal, you can check my previous video how to automate accounting system in Excel. What's the purpose of chart of account? You may better know that. So this is a account name, non-current assets, non-current assets, where's to belong. It's an asset account where it will be gone. It will be gone in the balance sheet. Now the property, plant and equipment, it's an also asset account where it will be gone. It will be gone in the balance sheet. This is a fixed asset. Also, I have created in this chart of account sheet all the related accounts where it will be gone and what this is. If you need this sheet, I will send into your email address. Please comment below your email address. I will give you this chart of account sheet. Here I have categorized each account in with verification, income, liabilities. You can change what you need. You can add up in this, like you just need to change the suppliers, you just need to change the receivables, you just need to change the income account, you just need to change the equity account, like this equity account. All account I have created in this sheet. Thanks for watching.